in Zambia.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had fun.
Yes.
In Zambia.
Yes.
So I just want to encourage everyone who wants to refresh.
Yeah.
Come here.
To come there. Yes.
Happy lands. You enjoy yourself. You and your families. There are so many activities.
Oh, there are so many activities there.
Yes.
I did not know.
There are so many activities.
So where is Happy Land?
Happy Land is in Zambia.
Which?
Okay, you can come and.
Oh.
Happy Land is in Waterfalls.
It's in Waterfalls.
Yes.
Okay.
Zambia.
In
So, if you want to enjoy yourself, if you want to relax, if you want to chill yourself, just find yourself here. You enjoy yourself, friends.
Families, children, they are allowed also.
They are allowed.
Okay.
Workmates.
Okay.
Just come here.
Even we radical prayer changers.
Oh yes, we are here. Let's come here.
Yes.
Yes.
It is very wonderful. Can you see me from a distance? Continue.
Thank you guys.
Yes. And we say bye-bye to Zambia. We love you so much.
Yeah.
Good people. Our Father, how are you? How are you? Fine. We are radical prayer changers. Yeah. You see, God is very good. Yes, you see the giraffe, it's of its normal size. You can think as if it's live.
These things are big, I tell you.
They are big.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. So, sorry, Papa. Yeah. Gonna put them in the video. These things are big. They look as if they are original ones. The size of a giraffe. Can I take from a distance? Yeah, this is Happy Land, guys. That's the Happy Land is located on this east side of Lusaka, because Lusaka is this side. So this is on the east side of Lusaka. Yeah, it's the district of Lusaka. What I heard people saying, because they say Lusaka is the capital city of Zambia.
Yes.
Yeah, but due to the fact that they are trying to avoid congestion. So that this district have got its own more shops, its growth, I don't know, cities, whatever. Yeah. You see the traffic coming. And one thing I've admired about this place is different from other countries. Did you ever notice that there are some other countries you cannot hold your phone like this?
Yes. We cannot mention the countries.
We cannot, yeah.
You can walk freely.
Yes, you can see.
Anytime.
Yes.
Yeah, you can enjoy yourself. You do not fear of anything. You do not fear of robberies. You do not fear of anything that you can fear of.
And
you can live freely, happily. And now we are holding our phones.
Yeah.
No one is disturbing us.
Nobody is disturbing us.
Yes, we are at peace.
Yeah. And today we had a very great moment. The person we met is very honored, is an honorable.
Oh yes. We are so much
you are so much. So what can you say about the people who left the home, who are at home? What are your words of inspiration? What do you want to inspire them with?
Oh, okay. One day is one day. I wish everyone was here.
Yes.
We met a great man and woman of God. Bishop Dr. Minga and
this Dr. Minga and my Minga. All right.
He's a great man of God. He was once the advisor of former president of Zambia.
Yeah.
So it's my pleasure. It's a great honor of us being here to meet such a great man. As for me, I really want to thank God, and also we thank Apostle Mafumi, the leader of Radical Prayer Changers, who connected us to this man. He took us from Zimbabwe to show us to this man. We are so much appreciated. We are so grateful to God for Apostle Mafumi. He did a great job If not by him, we are not supposed to be there. We should not be here. But because of Apostle Mafume, we are here in Zambia. Whatever we are doing here is because of him. So we really want to appreciate, we really want to thank God for him, for the great work that he is doing. He did a great
Let's cross over the time. You can go ahead, even
a
if.
great job.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
Everything that happened here, the uniforms that has been distributed to the children.
How many uniform and shoes were given? Can
There
you?
were so many, more than 100 kids benefited.
More than 100 plus new shoes.
Shoes and uniforms. This is Apostle Mafume did this. Apostle Mafume did this. So we really want to thank God for him, for the great job that he did, for the compassion heart that he had. If not by God, we should not be here. But
So do you have sorry to cut it short, do you have a channel on YouTube? Because people who are listening to you right now, I tell you, the whole world, let's talk of the whole world. Maybe some, they would want to follow you on your channel. What is your username?
I don't know.
So it means you shall hear from the public demand. Already you must have it. And
Yes.
big people will tag you.
Very soon I'll have a channel. Yes.
Yes, so it's up to the people to decide which username you're gonna use. Since this is Pastor Blessing, guys, thank you, Pastor. Yeah, thank you so much. Now from Zimbabwe, yes, good people. Let's go, guys. We are about to go. Morning. How are you? It's nice to meet you. What do you want to say? Because I can see a happy face, you see.
Waiting for that one.
Oh, you're waiting for father. Thank you, good people. We are going. Thank you. Wonderful. You know Mchekecha?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is Masekesa. We used to eat them, these things. They are very good.
Wow, you used to eat them. Did you see me yesterday?
Yes, I did.
What was I doing? Since I'm a real country boy, yeah.
It reminds me of. I was with my mother last week, and here in Harare, we used to prepare to make some juice, to make some smoothie. Then she was saying, "Oh, you girls." Then she was saying, "You girls, you are having juice here. You are having smoothie."
Of this thing you're holding.
Fruits.
Okay.
So she was asking us, what are you going to do when you come to Musha?
Yes.
Then we were saying, we will prepare this powder.
Yes.
Yes, this powder of Masekesa.
Yes.
We were telling her, don't worry, we'll take the powder of Masekesa, then we'll put milk, then we'll have our smoothie through this. So these things,
Yes. You've spoken Wataura.
Zvinodyiwa izvi.
Zvinodyiwa?
Yes, zvinodyiwa.
Masekesa. Idyaitoleka. Pastor, munhu wapastor anodya masekesa.
Yes, anodyiwa. Pound them, make powder, then put milk and a bit of sugar.
Yesterday I went to the shops. I want to tell you something I saw it's cassava milling meal. It's amazing.
I don't know about that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And also these things are healthy.
Whoa.
They're very healthy.
It can be used for what? It's a medicine.
It's healthy.
Do you know what it cures for any?
No, I don't.
Okay, but it's just healthy because when you eat it, yes. Let's go. Thank you.